that, Ben. What do you think?
Looks pretty good.
The mountains.
Yeah. Squinting?
Squinting all the time. I'm always squinting in all my videos. We managed to get to our staging area. Obviously, we're not the first ones here today, but look back there. Look back there, Ben.
Looks like some fun.
Look like some mountains back there. So we're gonna do what we can to actually get up into them today. What are you doing over there?
Berta. No base.
No base here.
No base Berta.
So I think we're quickly reminded of why we go to BC for the snow, huh?
Yeah.
You enjoying this fresh Alberta pow?
Check it out.
Look at this. Isn't this nice? This is what alpine riding's like in Alberta.
That 3-inch just barely gets around. Your 3.2, it's a little better.
It does all right.
Yeah.
Hey, nothing like being in the mountains in your t-shirt, eh, Ben?
It's good.
This is nice. It's not even spring out yet. This is beautiful. I wish there was snow. Snow would be nice. This is all right too, though.
We got some bratwurst.
What do you got?
Garlic
What's for lunch?
sausage.
Look at these
Look at
big
this
old
stuff.
things. We got way too much food.
Oh, that's gonna be good right there.
Ooh. Alpine riding in Alberta has no snow.
Not so far. We're gonna go have a look around the corner here.
Yeah, we got one little honey hole up here that might have some snow in it, but besides that, we got some scenic drone footage for you guys to check out. A little bit of fun.
That wasn't bad in the trees there.
That was all right. Yeah. Well, this isn't bad. This is a little better. A little bit of fun. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. That's all right for Alberta, I guess. It's hit and miss in the gullies. Some big hills in here.
This is the biggest rocks we've ridden in Alberta, that's for sure.
Look at this!
Yeah.
Welcome to Alberta Alpine Snowmobiling.
Yeah.
Wow! That's so cool! I didn't know we had snowmobiling like this here.
Let's go fucking tour down here, come back and go back up top. Where I jumped off, put my foot down, there's some fucking snow nut snow. To the left. To the left this time, right?
To the left.
To the right.
To the right.
To the right. We're going to the right. Jake.
Go.
To the right.
That guy said Zoolander what? Can only go left?
Only go left.
Okay, well Zoolander, he can't turn left.
He can't turn left. He's gonna turn right.
He's got to turn right. So,
Right this time.
so what are you gonna do? You got to go right too.
Yeah.
Okay, Zoolander, get out there, Derek.
To the right.
I gotta say, standing here and knowing what the base is, I was a little afraid.
That's not pretty tight for going to the right. That's not bad.
That's not bad. Imagine what we could do on an Alpha.
Oh.
Well, Alpha, we're gonna do the 180 right on the spot.
Yeah, that'll be it. Well, we managed to find that sweet Alberta Alpine, huh?
Oh yeah.
Some of it even had snow.
Yeah.
So if you say that there's no alpine snowmobiling in Alberta, you're wrong. Not good alpine snowmobiling.
You have to watch the video and see.
Thanks everybody for watching this video. Smash that subscribe button down below and I'll see everybody in the next one. Tired, I had enough.